Here we have our students and partners in education showcasing STEM-related activities such as drones, robotics, and microbits.
We also have some really amazing performances by our dance team, our cheer team, and our high school band.
We're from Harmony School of Science, Team 1199B, in the drone competition from Rec Foundation. We have to fly around this course behind us, and we can showcase off how the drones work and how the competition is also. We can also show our skills too.
Hi, I'm Sergeant First Class John P. Bell. I'm from the United States Army Medical Center of Excellence at Fort Sam Houston. I'm here to highlight and showcase U.S. Army medicine, specifically program of instruction, training, and education that we have over at Fort Sam Houston.
Sergeant Broomfield with the 56th Signal Battalion, HHD. We've come here to support our partners at the Harmony Public Schools. With our partnership, we've been supporting them for a few years now. We love it. We came here to show off our tactical radios and to give information and experiences and share about the Army.
The big idea of it is to put in maybe a fire hose or water cannon for maybe fires. And for search and rescue missions, you can put in a med kit, maybe some flares. And the idea is that it can reduce risk of human firefighters or rescuers.
This is the brand new Concept D laptop made by Spacey. This laptop has glasses-free 3D, allowing you to see most things that most laptops cannot let you see.
And I'm a part of the girls team on the FTC Robotics Club. During the course of this club, there were a lot of challenges that we had to overcome. For example, since it was the first year for a lot of us on the girls team, it was a lot of trouble figuring out how to actually put stuff together, how to code, how to fix any problems that we had to come across. When it came to competitions, it was stressful, but it was also fun actually overcoming those challenges, because I think it really helped our team working and our problem-solving skills a lot.
STEM is more